But I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you my secret weapon. And that's it. You use your children. That is how you seal your gift baskets quickly. People love kids. They love them. They love them. They love them. You have your child go make a sign and go to the corner and hold up the signs. You know, you pay them. Like with my son, he likes those little game cards for his game systems. Of course, food, you feed them. If you ain't got any kids, I know you got sisters, cousins, you know, neighbor kids, get a kid. I'm telling you, get a kid. If you want to sell these baskets quickly, and I'm telling you, not only that, your child can be your blessing, and I'm going to tell you how. Now, I had a hard time. I ain't going to sugarcoat nothing. I'm going to keep it 100% real with you. I ain't going to sugarcoat it. I had a hard time Easter. I was so disappointed. I was heartbroken. I was mad because my thing is I love doing stuff for kids. And my experience was, nope. So one of my goals is I want to speak to Miss Felicia. She got a thing where, you know, you pay and you get to talk to her for an hour. That is my goal because I got questions about, I have questions about Easter because it got to work. But anywho, and I went to God in prayer, like I said, and I'm like, man, what can I do to change my situation around? And my child, which is key, your children could be a blessing. My child suggested a location. So my first location did not work the way I wanted it to for Easter. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do Mother's Day. I didn't want to do it. My child suggested this location. We went and I made the most money I have ever did. Okay, now mind you, I have not been doing this long. Valentine's Day was my very first time doing it because of Birthday Bosses with Felicia. And man, I make the most money I ever made. So, with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.